Hello students. In this video, we are going to discuss why irrigation is required in India. So when we come with a country like India, it has a wide spread of area and the rainfall pattern in India is actually not uniform. It follows an ununiform pattern. Just consider an example, the location near Assam. So we have Brahmaputra River, where Brahmaputra River used to have flood events every year. If we see a historical analysis of what is happening in Brahmaputra River, we can actually find Assam is actually facing floods every year. Whereas like come to a location like Tamil Nadu or Andhra Pradesh, where we have very less amount of rainfall when compared to what is happening in the northern India. That is like northeast of India. So each and every location faces a different rainfall pattern. And because of this, in some locations, we have enough volume of water for irrigation and other purposes. But whereas like when it comes to the location that receives less amount of rainfall, we need to actually make use of the water effectively and wisely to store it for our future use. So only when we are implementing all these irrigation methods, we can actually make use of the water wisely for crop production or whatever the irrigation activities or agriculture activities that are being done. We have to make use of the water wisely and also save water for future purpose. And using irrigation methods will also help us increase the production. Effective use of water, which leads to the increase in the production. And when you go with like locations like Assam, they receive huge volume of rainfall every year, and the possibility of rainfall not occurring, or like we can say a drought, kind of a drought condition or something, or like there is no enough amount of rainfall. Those sort of a scenario will happen only once in 15 years. Because like these locations are actually present in hilly terrain and they receive more than enough sufficient amount of rainfall. But whereas when you come to other locations such as West Bengal, Maharashtra, AP, Orissa, Kerala, and these locations also receive more than enough amount of rainfall. If you go with Kerala, you can see like the Kerala will be like receiving enough amount of rainfall all over the year. There are like flood events which are happening in Kerala also. So the volume of rainfall that is actually hitting this particular that is like the volume of rainfall that are actually being received by these locations are also high when compared to the other locations such as Tamil Nadu. So in this particular locations, the drought occurrence or like the rainfall deficiency will be like occur once in 5 years. Similarly, when we go with the other states like Karnataka, Rajasthan, like Eastern Rajasthan and other locations, these locations also has a varying varying rainfall pattern. So considering this Tamil Nadu, Eastern Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, everyone for every state actually follows the same pattern, and the occurrence of rainfall will be there for the deficit rainfall will be there for a period of like once in 4 years. This is just a analysis that is performed with the historical data that is that is available with us, and based on that they gave us this particular output. But when you go with Western Rajasthan, so as we know, like Western Rajasthan, there is a desert. I hope like what desert is actually present in Rajasthan. I hope every one of you know that. And if you don't know what desert is actually present over there, please search and find it and like report it in the comment section. In Rajasthan, that too in Western Rajasthan, where there is this desert present, we don't get enough amount of rainfall. Because desert, we know that there will be like no vegetation, no proper enough volume of water and other stuff. Even in desert also they are doing irrigation, they are adopting these irrigation practices and they are cultivating crops also. But still that is a desert, we don't get enough amount of rainfall over there. and that is why like we find this deficient rainfall period occurrence for every 2 years.